Although police promotion oral boards are likely to ask questions regarding leadership, ethics, and discipline, those questions are not reserved for law enforcement. As a matter of fact, all of those dimensions should be evaluated before anyone is promoted in any profession. Our profession, law enforcement, is not like any other profession. Sure, we can draw similarities to the military and professional security forces, but we are unique in our oath and authority to respond, investigate, and criminally charge those who break the law within our jurisdiction. For that reason, it is very common that supervisor promotion candidates are presented with a tactical or complex investigative scenario as part of the oral board testing process. Oral boards are often better suited for this than written exams because oral boards make candidates think on their feet rather than giving them the opportunity to contemplate and then write. One of the pitfalls of the thinking on your feet scenario is the potential for tunnel vision. For example, if the question posed to you as a sergeant candidate involves your response to an officer-involved shooting in which the suspect is seriously wounded and the officer is not harmed, I suspect that you know the steps that you need to take with the officer upon your arrival, such as seizing his or her weapon and gaining basic information, as well as what you need to do with the suspect, such as assuring medical aid is rendered and evidence is preserved. After all, you are expected to take charge of the scene and its involved parties, and that is what you will convey to the panel. All of that is fine, but taking charge can have another layer that can often be missed by candidates at an oral board, and that is containment. The oral board panel should be assured by your response that once you are involved in a scenario, it will be brought to a state of order and control as quickly as feasible, and things will get better, not worse, because you are there. If we go back to the officer-involved shooting, containment would involve an immediate assessment for potential witnesses before they walk away, identification of video surveillance devices to preserve evidence before it is erased, and an effective crime scene perimeter so that the scene can be frozen in time for the crime scene investigators who are not yet on scene. So, when thinking on your feet and addressing a tactical or complex investigation, don't just focus on the core of the scenario. Identify the tactics you will use to assure that once you are involved, calm and control will be advanced for the scene's entirety and a successful resolution will be assured. If you are looking for more guidance on how to excel at your oral board, go to finest.com and see if coaching, a workshop, or the recently updated online e-learning Oral Boards Made Easy for Police Promotion course is right for you.